Welcome back, dear viewers, to another insightful episode on intermittent fasting. In today's discussion, we delve into the realm of managing fasting routines for individuals with non-standard work hours, a topic that resonates with many who navigate the challenges of shift work. Join us as we explore practical strategies and considerations for effectively incorporating intermittent fasting into unconventional work schedules. Shift work, characterized by irregular working hours outside the traditional 9-to-5 framework, poses unique challenges when it comes to maintaining a consistent fasting routine. Let's delve into some key insights and approaches to make intermittent fasting work harmoniously with non-standard work hours. Choosing the right fasting window flexibility becomes paramount when aligning intermittent fasting with shift work. Adapting your fasting window to synchronize with your work hours can help ensure that you're able to maintain your fasting routine without compromising your energy levels or performance. For example, if you're on a night shift, adjusting your fasting window to break your fast before you begin work can be a practical approach. Strategic meal planning. Planning your meals and snacks strategically becomes essential in the realm of shift work. Opt for nutrient-dense, easily portable options that can be consumed during brief breaks. Focus on well-balanced meals that provide sustained energy. And consider incorporating protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates to keep you satiated and fuel your body through demanding shifts. Adapting to sleep patterns. Shift work often disrupts sleep patterns, which can impact your fasting routine and overall well-being. Prioritize quality sleep, even if your sleep hours deviate from the norm. A well-rested body is better equipped to regulate hunger hormones and support the success of your fasting efforts. Hydration and energy management. Staying adequately hydrated is vital, particularly during shift work when fatigue may be a factor. Ensure you're consuming enough water during both your fasting and eating windows to maintain optimal hydration levels. Hydration plays a significant role in sustaining energy and promoting overall well-being. Listening to your body. As with any fasting routine, tuning into your body's signals is crucial. If you find that your fasting schedule is causing undue stress or hindering your work performance, consider adjusting it to better accommodate your unique needs and circumstances. Striking a balance between your fasting goals and your work demands is key to achieving success. Weekends and off-days shift work often involves irregular schedules that may vary on weekends or off days. To maintain consistency, adapt your fasting pattern accordingly to align with your work routine. While maintaining a routine is important, remember that flexibility is equally valuable in ensuring the sustainability of your fasting practice. Professional guidance. Individuals navigating the complexities of non-standard work hours, such as shift workers, may benefit from seeking guidance from healthcare professionals or nutritionists. These experts can provide tailored advice to help you optimize your fasting routine while prioritizing your health and well-being. In conclusion, managing intermittent fasting during shift work requires a thoughtful approach that considers both your fasting goals and your work demands. By customizing your fasting routine to align with your unique schedule, making mindful choices about meal planning, hydration, sleep, and seeking professional guidance when needed, you can successfully integrate intermittent fasting into the dynamic world of non-standard work hours. Thank you for joining us on this informative exploration. Stay tuned for more valuable insights into intermittent fasting and its adaptability to diverse lifestyles. Until next time, remember that with the right strategies, intermittent fasting can complement even the most unconventional of work schedules, all while supporting your journey toward optimal well-being.